Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Sierra, and this video is going to be an unboxing on Beats Studio Buds. So I am like a new customer of Beats. I've never bought, well, that's not true. I actually did have the Beats headphones, like the original first ones, and I had them in like a hot pink. And like obviously they were cool. I loved them. They were very trendy then. Since then, as I'm sure you know, Apple came out with their own AirPods, and like this completely, I feel like, stole all the shine away. And like this was just what's like trendy, you know, like everyone has these. If you have an iPhone, like, you have these. This is like completely, you know, Beats is known for their like speakers and their, you know, listening to music. And so let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Let me just shut up. This is Beats Studio Buds. They have two modes, which is active noise canceling mode and transparency mode. So the transparency mode is like if you want to have your music on, but you also still want to hear someone you're in the gym with talking to, you would put it like on that so you can hear conversation. And then noise canceling speaks for itself, and it actually does really work. These are made for Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, and so that way you don't have to worry as far as like, I have an iPhone, how's this going to work out? I was kind of worried, which is kind of dumb, you know. I already ruined the unboxing by ripping the box. I'm so sorry to the unboxing community. So they have like a little slit to keep them in there. Let's go ahead and take this out first. So you get a little charger. Great sound, starts with a proper fit. So they also have different size earbuds. Earbuds, that's a movie. And honestly, I have really small ears, and that's what I was complaining. I couldn't really fit like the one around the ear because it was like too big for my ear. So they have different sizes here, as well as the little charger. You have small and large, and then you have like the little manuals. Let's get to the juicy part. It's a little slip, little arrows. Cut. Don't be disappointed in me. Okay, here we go. It has a little L on the top to tell you, like, this is the left one. Okay, so as far as the fit, I'm honestly really shocked that they have like 3 different little settings as far as like the little earbuds. Why do I keep calling them that? So they have the ones that it came with, the large, and then the smalls. I just dropped a large, so I'm definitely not a large. So I'm going to go ahead and try on the smalls. I'm going to assume that these are medium. Okay, so definitely I like the small ones better. It really fits my ear a lot better. So I have small ears. Cute. And I'm not gonna lie, these are definitely way more comfortable than the AirPods, like, just right off the bat. And I'm not like, you know, like, I don't care for either or. That's why I was just like, sure, I'll try the Beats. Like, I've had AirPods before. But just realistically, like, these are hard, and these actually have like the soft part of it. I feel definitely more secure in these, that like if I was to, like, I don't run, but if I was to run, like, I feel like I'd feel more comfortable with these. And honestly, like I said, it just feels more secure, it feels more safe, it feels more comfortable even. The fact that these are just like in my ear and not hanging down, it does just feel a little bit more secure. Okay, so let's go through the setting up process for the Beats Studio Buds. So it says initial pairing with an iPhone, with earbuds seated in the case and the lid open. Hold near unlocked iPhone with Bluetooth on and follow on-screen instructions. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Oh look, it pops up already as soon as I like go to settings. Connect. I'm just going to click connect. Done. No way. It's connected. That was the easiest thing I've ever done. Honestly, that was a lot easier than... I'm not even throwing shade. Like, this is not sponsored. I'm not even throwing shade. Okay, so some of the instructions right here, it says if you push the button once, it is playing a song, pausing a song, or if you're on a call, it's answering and hanging up. If you press 2 times, it's skipping a song. If you press it 3 times, it's going backwards to the previous song. And if you hold it, I think it's showing like transparency mode. So let's test it out. Definitely think this is more noise canceling because I feel like if someone was here talking to me, I wouldn't be able to hear a thing, like at all. I can barely hear myself. So 1 was a pause. Let's unpause with 1. Now I'm going to do it 2 times. It should skip the song. It did? I'm good at this. So 3 times is actually just like restarting a song. I don't know if we can really go backwards to the last song, but when I did it, it just restarts the song. Okay, so let's just talk about what Beats claims that this Beats Studio Buds has. So these are $150. I got them from Target. You can experience immersive listening wherever you go with Beats Studio Buds. True wireless noise canceling earphones. I do agree with that. Compared to AirPods, it just does not compare. There's no comparison. They definitely do noise canceling. Control the noise. Dynamically block unwanted external noise with active noise canceling. When you need to hear the world around you, try transparency mode. They also work with Siri, so you can be like, hey Siri, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, I was right. If you want to activate the active noise canceling, you press on either one and you hold until you hear a little chime, and that's switching between active noise canceling and transparency mode. So probably just because no one was in the room, and I had the volume really up, like I really couldn't tell because no one was talking to me. But I'm gonna wrap this up with my final thoughts. Overall, like, I feel like if you haven't had AirPods, just for the trend, like, okay, I get it. You definitely want to try them out once. I feel like you want to start off with a pair of AirPods. I get it. But also, like, after a while, I feel like if you are a big music listener or someone who definitely is like really active and like works out a lot or things like that, I feel like I would definitely go with these more because I feel like these are more like a casual listen. You're sitting on the train, you don't use them often, you listen to Netflix, you're not doing much, or you don't care about the sound system quality. But if you care about like the sound system quality and as far as like the music and things like that, I would definitely go with Beats. I feel like not even just that alone, I think they're more comfortable wearing them and like secure and safe and stuff like that, because sometimes, you know, these fall out of my ears a lot, and like you can switch the sizes and it's like soft, and like there's a big difference I feel like in that. Price wise, they're around the same ish, so it's really like not too crazy of a difference, I would say, as far as that. So that's it for my Beats Studio Buds unboxing, review, setup, comparison. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.